Welcome back to Outside Your Zone. Whilst browsing Facebook Marketplace, I came across this free sailing dinghy. We thought that this free boat would be a great opportunity for us to get back into sailing, ready for some crazy missions later in the year. We've just secured a free sailing dinghy. I'm going to be taking it home, repairing it up, getting it all nice and ready, and testing it out on some of our local lakes and more. Stay tuned. So this right here is why it's free. Decent that. Not bad for free. Not bad for free, just the time and the effort to come and pick it up. It's looking pretty decent. Just got it all hitched on the back now. We're going to get it home and get it in the front garden. Pumping that. Let's go. It's actually been off the whole time. This is a dutty boat, so this needs extra life. Can't believe we got this boat. No, bro. Washdown is an ecologically sustainable alternative to your usual boat cleaning product. We met Leah, the creator of Washdown, at the SBS Boat Life event in Birmingham. So if you haven't seen that vid, be sure to check it out. You'll find the link in the description below, next to the Washdown Instagram.
Outside your zone.
Now I'm going to spray it down. Luckily I've had a lot of practice doing this. Now a second tyre. Always make sure that your spare tyre is full of air. So I'm going to give mine an extra pump right now. This year, OYZ is evolving. We've got some crazy missions coming up, and the Boat World 420s will be joining us for the ride. We've had some crazy adventures over the past year, and it has been fun sharing them all with you. Starting the season off at Loch Lomond, the OYZ team got to grips with their new inflatables on a relaxing wild camp. With an ultimate goal in mind, we knew we couldn't stop there. Taking it to the next level, we brought the Sibs to the Farne Isles to find out if they were truly seaworthy. Our final test, the world record, was a decisive moment for not only the boats, but for OYZ. Never before had we attempted something as ruthless as crossing the Irish Sea. Some doubted our capabilities, but as a team we prevailed, setting the first OYZ world record. This dinghy is the first sailing vessel that is going to be tested on the channel, representing a new era of sailing for OYZ.
The loop on the top of the sail was broken, so my mum has kindly replaced it for us, and we're all ready to go. We're just getting it set up now for Ramsey to have a quick blast on it.
This was the first step of our huge sailing adventure. Struggling to attach the rudder was the least of my worries, as I had rigged the sheet incorrectly. Unfortunately, I had only figured out what I had done 50 metres from shore, and it was too late. I forgot about it, and instead carried on, enjoying my first time sailing in years. As I jibed past Walholme, I could now see Norfolk Island, reminding me of the first day that we took the green machine out to camp overnight. Get in. It's actually a lovely day. It was looking rainy, but now it looks pretty sweet. Navigating the dinghy had become effortless, and I now had more time to think about the endless possibilities that could come from our sailing journey. I reached a good distance from the launch point and decided to tack back to try my hand at upwind sailing. I just realised that the boat's actually taking on water. Here come the steamer waves. Whoa, let's get a bit more into them. Oh, the wind just picked up now as well. Whoa, the one-handed sailing. Oh, neither the one-handed sailing. Jesus Christ.
Right then guys, I was flying the drone, trying to learn. I flew over a seagull, the seagull flew underneath it, and the drone tried to land. And the drone's landed in the water, so we've borrowed a canoe to try and look for this drone. So now's a good time, if you haven't already, to join the Patreon, because at the moment we're canoeing around looking for a drone that doesn't float on the Ullswater Air. I do feel bad, obviously, because it was me that was flying it, but we will have some low quality footage saved on the phone of the seagull flying underneath it and the drone trying to land on the seagull. So, yeah, play that now.
I cannot believe that we managed to get our hands on this free boat. It just goes to show that Facey Market is a good place to start for anyone looking to find some free gear. Let us know in the comments about your own free Facebook adventure, and don't forget to like and subscribe because you cannot miss this next video.